What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. So today's video, it's a two-part video. We were out 2 nights in a row and I actually caught one of the biggest channel cats I've ever seen in person. So that was pretty cool. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And we got another video coming out another day or two after you see this one. We kayaked the river, so stay tuned for that and enjoy the video. Rolling. Hooked up here with the first fish of the night. Feels pretty decent. Holy shit. Yo, this might be a little bit bigger than I thought. You hear that thing? Oh, damn, dude. Damn, dude. Oh my god! Holy. Oh, that's a big channel cat. Oh my god. Yeah, baby. Look at sweet. Oh, okay, you're good on the video for right now. Oh yeah. Now you got a line to your left, just remember that. Feel pretty good? Yeah. Oh wow, huge, dude. Here, I'll grab him. Oh, it's a fatty too. Oh. Got him. Whew, sweet. Oh, she's ready to go. There, found it. Light's starting to pick up a little bit. Oh, watch your back. Oh, it just got me into something right here. Oh, he's out. Ooh, got me underneath a rock or something. Oh, oh. Feisty little channel. Nice little one. Alright guys, we're back out for the second night. We got a 5-rod spread here. We just got down here, so we'll see what we can get into and see if we can get a big one on here soon. First fish of the night here. Not a bad channel. Start the night off. Sweet. Oh, he's on it. There you go. Finally. Yeah. What was that, a good 45-minute wait? Yeah, long lull between that last bite. Just drag him right up on it. Okay, that's the second fish of the night. We've been out here for like almost 3 hours now. It's a very slow night. Had like a cold front come in. Somebody had something to do with it. But a good little one. Yeah.